In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a Monday.com board step by step, whether you want to reuse a project template, duplicate a workflow for a new client, or create a backup of an existing board. Copying a board in Monday.com is quick and incredibly useful. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the different duplication options available and which one to choose depending on your needs. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the board that you want to copy. Go to your Monday.com workspace and navigate through your boards list. Click on the specific board you'd like to duplicate. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving to the next step, especially if you manage multiple projects that look similar. Once your board is open, head to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu icon, also known as the board menu. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down options. This menu contains several board settings and actions, including the option we need to duplicate the board. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate Board. Click on Duplicate Board to continue. As soon as you click it, Monday.com will open a pop-up window asking you what exactly you want to copy. This is an important step because Monday.com gives you multiple duplication options depending on how much information you want included in the new board. You'll typically see three main options. The first option is Structure Only. If you choose this, Monday.com will copy the board structure, which includes the groups and columns, but it will not copy any of the items or tasks inside the board. This option is perfect if you want to reuse the layout as a clean template without bringing over old tasks. The second option is Structure and Items. This will copy both the structure and all the items within the board. In other words, your tasks, rows, and data will be duplicated along with the column setup. This is useful if you want to replicate a full project setup and then adjust details afterward. The third option is Structure, Items, and Updates. This is the most complete duplication option. It copies the board structure, all items, and the update history, including comments and activity logs. Choose this if you need an exact replica of the board for record-keeping or archiving purposes. After selecting the option that best fits your needs, confirm the duplication. Monday.com will then process your request, and within a few seconds, your duplicated board will appear in the same workspace. You can rename the new board immediately to avoid confusion and start customizing it as needed. And that's it. That's how you copy a Monday.com board quickly and efficiently. Duplicating boards is a powerful feature that can save you a lot of time, especially if you regularly run similar projects or workflows. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.